Hi, I'm Jim from Scanning Pens, and today I'm going to be taking you through the new exciting updates that we've got available this autumn on the ReaderPen. The first major feature that I'm going to take you through is the setup wizard. So when you first purchase your pen or you're having a trial of one of these pens, the setup wizard will automatically be there ready for you. And what this allows you to do is personalize and look at all the different preferences through the menus there. So this will take you through all of the settings. So you've got the talking menu, you have the select menu languages, you have the select scan languages, you have the different voices, and then you can select from left to right handed. And then once you select that, it'll say the wizard has finished. So if you've already got a ReaderPen and you've just done the update, you can go into settings and go all the way down to the bottom and you'll find the Run Wizard feature right at the bottom there. So another exciting feature on the ReaderPen is the different accents or voices. So you can click onto this by going into the English voices and then you can select Indian, Scottish, Irish, and Australian. We also have a new Spanish voice, the Latin Spanish. Another feature that we've added to the ReaderPen is the auto read feature, which can be found in the text reader function. This can be toggled on and off. So if this is on, this means that as soon as you scan a line or a couple of lines, it will instantly read that back for you. However, if the auto read feature is off, this will allow you to scan multiple lines, and then from your own control, you can then select it and it'll read it back for you. Another update on the ReaderPen is that within the text reader function, you can now select the quick set mode, which will allow you to grab a definition of a word that is highlighted that you've just scanned. So another update that we've added to the ReaderPen is you can now click into the quick set mode once you're on the text reader function and clear your whole screen. Another feature that we've added to the ReaderPen is for our North American users is the North American Oxford Dictionary. So this can be selected in the dictionary mode there. Lastly, the exam lock feature has been updated. There are two modes available, the text reader only and now the text and dictionary mode. These updates are available to you right now. For further information, you can find it on our website or you can contact us directly by phone. Our number is 020 7976 4910. And if you'd like to email us, you can email us at uksupport@scanningpens.com.